Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, HOU Living in Houston. And if you're new to our channel, we want to welcome you. My name is Trish, together with my partner and also who's my husband, Sunny, and the whole team at HOU. We want to help you out with any of your real estate needs, or even if you have any questions about living in Houston. That is why we started this channel, because we want to give people more of an insight of what life in Houston is about. So for today's topic, we want to talk about what to do when there is a thunderstorm or there's a power outage. Right now there's hurricane season has started, so I feel it's good to be prepared for either case. So to start off with, we want to give you a list of an emergency kit you might need in case of a power outage. In this emergency kit, you might want to include having your phone always fully charged, have a backup source energy for your phone or any electronic devices, have stocked up water and food if necessary. You also want to be in connection with your neighbors and neighborhood. So we're gonna give a bit of a breakdown of all of these topics. To start off with, as I mentioned, you want to have a backup power source, so you can always be in contact with friends, family, so they know you're okay and you know they're okay. So definitely always have that in handy. You also want to have a backup lighting source. That means you should of course have your flashlights, battery operated flashlights, have extra batteries. If you maybe can get a solar powered flashlight, that can always be a good addition. And of course, maybe have some candles handy. Maybe that can be like a plan B, because candles can be a bit dangerous, especially if there are kids at home, but it's always a good idea to have them. You also want to have water and food in your house, be probably stocked up with bottled waters, or if you have like those reusable bottles, just keep them always with fresh water inside. You also want to have canned foods, so those usually last longer and you can keep them in your house for much longer in case of any type of emergency or power outages. It's always good to have that stocked up. You also want to be in contact with your neighbors, neighborhood. It's good to have that sense of community. If you need anything or they need anything, support each other. I would also like to show you how to be able to check in your area if there's any power outages, or how to maybe report a power outage. So we're gonna show this right now to you.
Okay, so we're going to view the power outage from CenterPoint. CenterPoint power outage. Okay, so it's centerpointenergy.com. You can view outage tracker, so you can see if there's an outage in your area or anywhere near. You can put your address. As you can see, there are a few outages happening in Houston. So if you click on any of them, you can see on this side how many customers are affected, customers restored past 24 hours, active outages, 880 outages restored past 24 hours. And right now it seems like it's a normal business operation. If ever there's an outage in your area, you can just put your address. There you go. And if you need to, there's no outage in this area. But if you need to report, you can report it right away. You can report an outage. I'm not going to do that right now. And you can also get the alerts, so they'll notify you when it's fixed, or you can always just keep an eye out in case you're not at home, but you want to make sure when you're going to get your power back.
So there you have it. Those are our tips for you in case of any power outages due to thunderstorms or due to any hurricanes. Just be safe and keep these in mind. If there's anything else that you feel that I missed out on, please write it below in the comments. So remember, whether you're moving to Houston 9 days or 9 days, we're here for you. Till next time.